Today we're at Oakland Picknpull. This is a really small yard. It's got about 650 cars versus like Stockton that's got almost 2,000. So they jam the cars in really close, like back to back. You can't work on them really. They do that. Let's go check it out. So after you pay, you walk in. They've got some tires for sale. Here's their cars for sale. 92 4Runner. We got a Corvette. And then that's the production yard. Let's see if I can stand up there and get some. This is what's gonna be coming out on the yard. No standing there? Ah, guy's a dick. All right. Okay, this is a 1997 W140. Last year they made this model. There was like a final edition, I don't know what they called it. Oh God, it's got the wood. No one's damaged that yet. Inside mirror. This looks roached too. Yeah, that's no bueno. Cup holder. All pieces are missing. So there was like a final grand edition or something. I don't think this is it. I think it was only the 500s. It's a 420. Weird smell in there. Oh, it's got the pocket thing. That's not appropriate for this year. There's a hat I can wear. Let's see the lights. Now they're roached. That stuff's all inside. This middle thing is very hard to find unbroken. Like really hard. It's got the antenna. I don't see a Mercedes thing on this, but these clean up pretty well. Let's see the production date on this. 598. It seems like this should be a 98. I don't know if they're making 99s in May of 98. Broken like most of these. Let's see if these are xenon. Does it say high voltage? I don't think they are. All right, so right behind this W140, it is a legit CLK55 per the VIN. Someone took that AMG rails, but it's got the. I'm trying to get in there. I can't film it. Can you see that? It says AMG, wheels AMG. It had this, I think, aftermarket shifter. It wasn't wrecked. That's a weird bumper. I don't know what that is. He's got his little, I think that goes on the engine cover. Damn, you don't see these a lot. So this is an early W202. Usually I wouldn't show this, but just to show you the differences. It's got the mirrors like they put on all the S-Class, E-Class. Didn't show up on the SL, like they could tell like just 1 year, 98 or maybe 97. So these fold, not power fold, but if they get hit, they don't break. So you can take one of these and put it on an S-Class pretty easy. You just won't have power fold. So this guy, you can tell it's early because he's got the old style mirror. He's got a phone. I think that armrest is a little different. The phone controls are right there. And then they had, the C-Class had the power antenna for a while. I don't know when they ended at, maybe 97. Let's see what the number is on this. 120. Not sure what that means, but this had the third brake light, like the S-Class, E-Class. This is a 2000 SL500 R129 Picknpull in Oakland, California. It has been here a while. It's worn. Let's see, there's not a lot left here. Damn, there's no body damage. You can get these so cheap in California with mechanical issues. People are worried about the top. I don't think that's the right cluster, is it? Maybe it is. Seats, nah, seat's no good. He had a cell phone. So I don't think this is going to be here much longer. If you need anything, you need to come and grab it. Come early in the morning. You won't have any issues in Oakland. People are scared of it, but I've never had a problem here. Knock wood. 1990 W126. 1 year before they stopped making them. Picknpull in Oakland. It's black 040. The paint was nice. This has been here a while, so I don't even know if I can get in the front door. Let's see. So this is good. People are taking the stuff, not ruining it. This is like the first one. I mean, it almost smells like it's a new car. Very weird. It's the first aid kit if you need it. God, the paint was nice. That is crazy. This is like the nicest paint I've seen in the junkyard. Let's see if there's anything under here. Nothing good. So a lot of people took a lot of parts. That's a sign this thing just rolled in. Look at that. Beautiful paint. Go to the Mercedes dealers now and you kind of see that orange peel effect. I wonder how many miles this had on it. All right, this looks like it's gonna get crushed soon. Now this is a 1985 300 SD W126. Look at that. You don't see that a lot. This did not get hit hard because, well, the dash is gone, but the seats are shit. took the motor. It's odd. I talked to one guy that had a dealer license, and he'll run the VIN and check the service history of what was done to the car, and then he buys the motor if it is positive, or if there's like rear end damage, so the car was definitely running. What's that seat doing here? It's kind of weird. Got some antenna issues. Sometimes you can find loose tools. Oh, that's like a potty pad, man. I'm gonna wash my hands after this one. All right, lots of parts gone. That's good. I think that's it, but when I'm walking out, if I see anything else interesting, I'll add it. All right, a day in Oakland. Some new arrivals to Picknpull. It's a cool bug. That's R129 roadster. Behind that, it's pretty crazy. There's just tow trucks lined up, dumping off cars. And then there's a homeless encampment right next to it. This is East Oakland. I never have a problem, but I don't want to rattle a cage here. It's too obvious. All right, heading back. On the way back, I stopped at the Tesla factory. This used to be a GM Corvette plant, then it was GM and Toyota made some crap. It's a huge facility. A lot of Teslas. There's a Cybertruck.